Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for another customizing edition. Today we're going to be working on a Datsun 510 wagon. Looks pretty cool the way it is. Really like the wheels, like the paint job, like the decals. Looks pretty darn good. But we're going to go ahead and crack it open and change it anyway. So let's get started. Got it drilled apart, stripped, and we've got the interior, base, and windshield. Wheels on there are already pretty cool, so I'm going to leave those alone. I'm going to leave that alone. This is the only thing we're going to be working on. Take this to the paint shop and we'll be right back. We're back from the paint shop. Got her painted, got some decals on it. Got to do now is put it back together. Be right back. We started with this. And we finished with this. Well guys, that finishes up our video for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't and click the bell for notifications. Appreciate any comments. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video or a thumbs down if you didn't. We'll catch you on the next video. Have a great day and we'll see you later.